Hi, I'm Tom Troy. I'm Director of the Operations and Execution segment here at Schneider Electric Software. Today I'm here to talk about a new offering that we're bringing to the market, a new cloud offering in our MES portfolio. It's referred to as Insight Performance. What we're doing here with this particular offering is we're really extending the Wonderware online story here. So we're going to extend the platform now with some new capability around our MES and in particular our OEE solution. One of the barriers that we've encountered with a lot of our on-premise solutions is really the cost for the infrastructure as well as the complexity of some of our MES solutions. With our new cloud application, what we're looking to do is lower that barrier, lower the cost of infrastructure and maintenance to deploy our solutions. So let me give you just a quick tour of what we've done here in our first release here. What you're looking at here with this particular screen is what we call our equipment monitoring view. This is a screen that an operator would use on the floor. So an operator would be out there monitoring various pieces of equipment around the plant floor here. On the left-hand side here is a list of the various pieces of equipment that an operator has chosen to monitor for his particular shift that he's working here. In the middle of the screen here, you see the equipment states that really represent, depending on the timeline that I've selected below, gives you a summary of the equipment states, and it gives a very quick visual picture to the operator in terms of how well that particular piece of equipment is operating here. You'll notice across the bottom and up at the top right-hand corner, we have some standard KPIs. These KPIs, again, give the operator a sense of how he's performing, within this particular time window that he's selected here. One of the other features we have is for the operator to be able to enter data manually. So in some cases, an operator may need to enter a manual downtime event. So he simply clicks on that button, and then we'll select the various state that he wants the equipment to operate in, as well as a selected reason code. Another capability that we've embedded in this application is for the operator to be able to enter or reconcile events that may have come into the solution. So for this particular solution, we can collect data automatically. So in some cases, this requires an operator to reconcile some of the information that may have come from the automation layer. So we have the ability to merge and split events. So again, we provide a very simple interface for the end user to interact with the solution to perform these various types of transactions here. One of the things we really focused on was the ability to make this a very simple application to configure. So the configuration experience is very straightforward. For this particular application, we're focused on a downtime application. So if you look at the screen here, you see 3 tabs here representing equipment, equipment states, and utilization reasons. Each of these is easily configurable through Excel. So what we end up doing is enabling the end user to download a sample file. And what this does is it guides the user in terms of the information that is required for this particular setup. So in this case here, for a piece of equipment, there's a couple of fields that it needs to enter. So this makes it very easy for the customer to essentially bulk load information that's required for the application. Once it's been configured, we're still leveraging the same reporting experience that we have with our current Insight application here. If I look at the current experience that we have today for our historian, it's a very simple experience where an end user searches for data. Those results are brought back on the left-hand side here. And then with that information, the end user is able to determine what values they want to show on a chart, as well as determining what chart they may want to use to display information here. We'll use this same paradigm for our OE solution. The difference being, instead of searching for tags, we'll search for equipment. So the search results will show equipment, And then on the gallery side here, those will be charts such as OEE summary, mean time between failure, mean time to repair. So again, a very consistent experience across our online platform. This concludes our presentation and demonstration of our new OEE application on the cloud.